Sagittarius was popping. The song that's playing for you is that Go, and then 1, 2, 3 is the time on the clock. So you may be going, you may be ready to progress in any facet of reality, whether you are trying to take your mind to the next level or your third dimensional realm to the next level. You're trying to go up a class, if you will, from low class to middle class or whatever it is for you. You feel me? You gained emotional stability regarding some aspect of your life, and you realize you don't want to work on something no more. You don't want to participate at this job or participate with these friends, family members, or people, places, and things. You feel me? Whatever it is, this habit, you know it ain't a part of you no more. You grew past that. So now you let that habit go. You ain't working on that habit and or routine anymore. You ready to go forward. Look, I'm telling you, you know what make you happy. Or it's either you know what make you happy and or you are participating in the energy that makes you feel emotionally fulfilled in every way, shape, or form. You feel home when you talk to this person. You feel home when you do this habit. You feel home when you participate in this hobby, when you think this way. Look, you got 2 angels out this mug. God all over this. It's like God blew the horn on some way, some mentality or some aspect of your life that you were holding on to emotionally. You found stability in these feelings, emotions, people, job, whatever it is for you, and you didn't want to let go of it at one point. But God blew the horn because it was time to bring balance to the things you were emotionally invested in. So it's like you unconsciously was like, you know what? I'm tired of being here. You don't know why you just woke up. Look, you don't know why you just woke up and decided to walk away from something you were emotionally connected to, but you knew the truth regarding what it was, and you was like, hold on, I want stability. I want something real. So now that's what you either participating in or going after. God damn. Good on you, Sagittarius. Sagittarius. Look, you may be ready to make an emotional offer now. Look, behind you know the truth regarding this high priestess or person, place, or thing you were dealing with, and now you're ready to do what? Bring your mentalities that way, bring your mind and or emotions that way. You feel me? You ready to take something to the next level? Like I said, what song is this? Cash. All right, now it's a coin too. You may be ready to spend a couple dollars on something. Whether this is a business, you ready to drop some cash on it because you know the cash gonna come back to you. Whether this is a person, look, I split it. The King of Cups. You fixed your emotions regarding something. At one point, you was fucked up over some shit because you took a step, and that step made you go down a level instead of up a level. But now that you got all your shit together regarding how you feel about something, because this is a lot of feelings we looking at. Now you're ready to do something in order to elevate or grow in some facet of reality. Look, you ready to open up. You don't want to be defensive no more regarding something you're passionate about. That the time you was being defensive and the time you were being false, that shit's up. The world card. Something's complete. A cycle in your life. Whether that cycle is a mentality, a habit, a relationship, a person, place, or thing, you are done doing something. And you are ready for something real. Hey, good on you. What song is this again? Cash. So you ready to be abundant. Whether that's third dimensionally, you ready to have a lot of money, or fourth dimensionally, you ready to have good ideas, good business, like positive thought. You're ready to vibe higher. I'ma fuck with you.